So this is how my foundation looks with the LA Girl Pro Color foundation mixer, and I used my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, and I used a tiny bit of the Manic Panic Dream Tone just to lighten up the foundation a tiny bit, but I think it's a pretty good match. I'm really happy with how it looks now, and you know, I love the coverage. I loved it from the beginning, so it's perfect for me. And if you're wondering what is on my eyes today, I have the ColourPop Sweet Talk palette on, and for my lips I have the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip in Bit O Sunny. So that is my makeup for today. So I did my hair, well, my bangs parted down the middle. When my hair is wavy, I can do it so much better, and my bangs are finally growing, but when my hair is straight, I feel like they don't lay right when they're parted down the middle for some reason. But that's my hair today.